Sneeze alert too. Probably gonna be a third one. Okay, apparently it didn't come this time.
Sheena, how could you?
Oh, sorry.
What? This is the funniest laugh ever.
What's up, dog?
How old are these?
These aren't old at all.
Yeah, dude, your candy's always old.
It's from Costco. It's fresh, purely fresh. And this is
Whatever, Am.
It's really foggy. There we go.
Why is it foggy?
It's foggy, not foggy now. This is wasting my memory.
Just delete it.
You delete it.
Sneeze already, Sheena.